If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Wenshida pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Wenshida. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Wenshida. Number 3. For more details about this great Wenshida pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Wenshida. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Sibosun. Number 7, by Wenshida. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sibosun. Number 9. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.